Have you been learning English for a very long time and still no progress? Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. So, have you been learning English for a very long time? Like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 3 months, even maybe 1 year? You are watching English videos, reading English books, using apps. You are doing this every day, but still no real improvement. You still hesitate to speak, you forget the words you learned, and you feel stuck. Is it you? Is it the method? Is English just too hard? Let me tell you, I have heard this story many times. You are not alone. In this video, I'll explain exactly why you are not improving and most importantly, how to fix it step by step. Why you are not improving? Let's talk about the most common reasons or problems English learners face. Why you feel stuck even after 3 months of learning English. The first one is passive learning overload. This might sound strange, but you watch English videos, listen to English podcasts, and maybe even take a few grammar lessons in English. But here's the problem. You are not doing anything with the input. You understand it, but you're not using it. Like you're taking something in, but that is there stuck somewhere. You're not using it. That is what passive learning means. You are hearing everything, you're taking everything inside, but you're not giving it out. You're not using it. It's like watching cooking videos continuously for 3 months, but not actually cooking. Will you become a good cook that way? Nope. Same with English. If you try, if you use it, you can become a good English speaker. You're just storing it inside. You're not using it. The second reason is fear of making mistakes. You know what stops many English learners from speaking? It's not a lack of vocabulary, it's fear. Fear of saying the wrong thing, fear of saying the wrong word, fear of sounding silly, fear of being judged. But let me tell you one thing. Mistakes are proof that you are trying. If you are not making mistakes, maybe you're not learning anything new. The next problem is no speaking practice. You can't learn swimming just sitting on the land and reading a book. You can't learn swimming by learning about swimming, right? So how can you expect to speak English fluently if you are not speaking? To swim, you need to get into water. To learn swimming, you need to get into water. Same like that. You need to speak to improve your English speaking. To speak fluently, you need to speak a lot. Even talking to yourself in English is better than not speaking at all. The next problem is too many resources, no routine. You jump from YouTube to Duolingo to Instagram to grammar books. You switch methods hoping one will magically work. But what you really need is a simple, consistent routine that fits your lifestyle. Don't choose something that is difficult for you that you cannot achieve. Find a perfect routine for your lifestyle that can suit your lifestyle. If you are busy in the morning, just find a routine that can fit into your night time. So, these are some problems that we face while learning English. Okay, now let's see what you should be doing instead. Now let's talk about solutions. If you want to finally see real improvements, here's what you can do. First one is speak every day. It doesn't matter if you speak for just 2 minutes. Just stand in front of the mirror and speak out loud. Talk about your day, speak what you are doing right now, and record your voice. Record your voice and listen. When you listen to it, you will hear your own mistakes and you can fix it faster. You know where you need improvement and you can improve that area real quick. The second is shadowing technique. This is powerful. Pick a short video clip or YouTube video, a podcast sentence, anything that you like. Pick a short clip. Listen to it. Pause and then try to repeat exactly like the speaker. Copy the pronunciation, the rhythm, the tone, whatever the speaker says, try to copy the same thing. Do this daily. This can improve your listening and speaking skills together. You can improve both the skills together just by following the shadowing technique. Third method is to keep a word log. When you listen to a new word, just write it down. But don't stop there. Try to use that word in your own sentence. Try to use it in a conversation, or when you're writing something, try to use that word in the same week. If you have learned the word today, just try to use it today, or if not, within this week, try to use that word in a conversation and when you're writing something. This way, that word will be with you forever. You won't forget that word. Otherwise, you'll be learning a new word, but you will forget it. You're learning it, you know its meaning, but you're not actually using it. And that word will be pushed back in your memory. Like it will be there somewhere in that corner, but you cannot take it out. You cannot use it when time comes. So try to use it frequently. Stop aiming for perfection. Aim for connection. You don't need the perfect grammar to speak English. You can speak English however you can. What is important is you need to be understood. Most native speakers don't speak the perfect English either. Think about your native language. Do you speak your native language with the perfect grammar? No, right? You just speak it however you can. You don't bother about your native language. Same like that, speak English. Just try to speak English naturally. Just try to say it out loud, however it comes into your mind. Initially there will be a lot of mistakes, but later on you can improve. You will see little improvements in yourself. Try to create a weekly goal plan. Instead of saying, I want to improve English, just say, I'll learn 10 new phrases this week. Or you can say, I'll speak for 5 minutes daily about a topic. Just keep small, clear goals instead of something vague like, I want to improve my English, I want to improve fluency. Instead of that, keep small, clear goals. This can help you achieve big goals. It will help you with big progress in English. The next idea is to practice English with real life situations. Do you work in a shop? Try learning how to greet customers in English. Do you order food online? Try to learn how to order food online in English. Practice that in English first. When you try to connect English to your real life, English actually becomes easier. It will be easy for you to pick up new English words, phrases, and to speak English fluently. Your progress is closer than you think. Let's be honest. 3 months is just the beginning. Most people underestimate how much time language learning actually takes. Fluency doesn't happen in 90 days. But real progress can. And many times that progress is actually happening. It might have already happened, but you are not noticing it. Maybe you understand more English now than before. Maybe you catch more words in movies. You can watch an English movie without subtitles. Maybe your fear of speaking English has become a little smaller. That is progress. And that's how fluency begins. Small wins every single day. So don't give up. Don't say English is not for me. Say, I haven't found the right method yet, but I will. Remember, you're not stuck. You are in the silent growth phase. You're silently improving your English. Things are happening in the background. Your brain is working. Now it's time to step up. Start speaking more. Practice actively. Make mistakes proudly. because every time you do, your English gets stronger. And if you want simple, clear help, I'm here. Just leave a comment below telling me your biggest challenge. Tell me what you fear. What are your problems in English? I'll try to help you through it. So guys, this is all for today. I hope this video was helpful for all of you. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.